What if people were forced to live on Jupiter? I guarantee you that after this video, your opinion about this planet will change. Forget about Earth's gravity. Here your first step will be an endless fall into the abyss. We're inside Jupiter, a planet without a solid surface, where down means certain death. The atmosphere here is an ocean of hydrogen and helium. The deeper you go, the higher the pressure. 1,000 kilometers below us, gas is compressed into a super hot liquid. Even deeper, hydrogen turns into liquid metal, an ocean that conducts electricity. But in the upper layers of the troposphere, we found a narrow zone with Earth-like pressure and temperature. Our cities don't stand on the ground. They're attached to colossal balloons. Gravity here is 2.5 times stronger than Earth's. Every step requires an exoskeleton. The main enemy is the wind. Jet streams can reach speeds of up to 600 kilometers per hour. The sunlight here is weak. We get energy by catching lightning. To survive, we became plasma hunters, trapped in an endless storm. But we're not alone here. Our sonars are recording the movement of colossal biomasses in the deep. Speculative biology allows for the existence of atmospheric beasts. Creatures the size of a whale. Their bodies are living balloons capable of changing density. The air they breathe is toxic to us. The ammonia will melt your lungs in an instant. Living here requires a neural network restructuring. You're no longer afraid of heights, you're afraid of depth. If the station falls below the threshold, it can't be saved. The gravity well will crush it. Children born in a storm are adapted to high gravity. For them, the Earth will feel too light. We haven't conquered Jupiter. We're simply hiding in its wildest tempest. Would you risk living here? Share your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe. We're testing reality here. Bye-bye.